Have you ever been in a company that promised you the world? You joined with high hopes, ready to give it your all, only to find out that the rules changed to their monetary advantage. It's a story many of us know all too well. Hi, Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and I hope you're having an amazing day and week. See, in the corporate world and even in the home business industry, this practice is all too common. Companies lure us in with grand promises. We work tirelessly, putting in long hours and immense efforts, right? Believing in the dreams they sold us. But then, things change. This is especially prevalent in network marketing companies. Their intricate plans, breakaway, pass-ups, and ever-changing rules often leave us disillusioned. We work hard, build our networks, and push for success only to see the benefits slip through our fingers, landing in the hands of someone else. Imagine putting your heart and soul into something, right? Only to have the rules rewritten, the goalposts moved. Your hard work benefits others, while your dreams are left in taters. It's frustrating and deeply disheartening. But here's the thing, you're not alone. Many have faced this harsh reality. It's a systemic issue, one that takes advantage of our ambitions and aspirations. So, what can we do? How do we protect ourselves from these pitfalls? The key is staying informed and being cautious about the opportunities we choose. Seek out companies and business ventures that genuinely values and rewards your hard work. Do your research and connect with communities that share your values and goals. So, if you're looking for guidance on how to navigate the business world and find genuine opportunities, visit my website at freedomlifebusiness.com. There, you will find a wealth of resources, including digital marketing guides, tips for spotting real opportunities, and inspirational content to keep you motivated. Remember, your efforts should be rewarded, and your dreams should be nurtured. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and keep pushing forward. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. And don't forget to check out freedomlifebusiness.com for more resources and support on your journey to success. Until next time, stay inspired and keep striving for the life you deserve. Always make it a wonderful day, and remember to always go for your dreams, no matter what they are. Bye for now.